Hey guys, Mika from Marble Mods here. Just gonna do a quick unpacking. We have the Tesoro mechanical keyboard. It's a Lobera, and it comes with the brown MX switches. It's actually the Supreme version. It has color, illumination, and whatnot. Let's see what we have in here. Well packed, plastic, all kinds of stuff. Standard Tesoro little folder, some stickers, manuals, and stuff like that. And we have the keyboard itself. I think it's actually available in aluminum too, but we got the black version. Very nice. Nice cherry mix brown. You can hear it from the noise, and also I can feel it from the feedback. We have a sleeve cable. What else do we have here? We have sound cables and a couple of USB cables. So there's separate mic and headphone jacks somewhere here, right here. Let's see, right there, on the purple section of the keyboard. And you have a couple of stands on the bottom. Very nice looking keyboard, very nice feeling. We also got a sample of the Lobera with the mechanical like keys. Basically it's not mechanical, but they're supposed to feel similar to mechanical. Kind of saw the set. Let's see. Plastic here. A little softer feeling on these. I think they're actually made by Tesoro themselves. You still have kind of like a mechanical feeling. Reminds me of a mix of the cherry mix brown and the black. So, anyways, I'm gonna be testing these keyboards out, and I should have a review on the site within a couple of days. So, thank you for watching.